Hi, this is David at stoneyard.com. I'm here to talk about corners, specifically lead stone corners. This happens to be Boston blend, but it applies to all the different colors. So there's striations. Notice the right, left side. The striations are, horizontal. Let's take a look over here. Square and rect corners. On a square and rect, you've got a seam on one side and then vertical striations. All right, so why am I explaining these two? Let's pretend, so again, square and rect, we've got vertical striations and a seam. But if I'm trying to go across a doorway or window opening and I'm using ledge stone, then when I go across that doorway, if I put a piece of square and rect but lay it horizontally, it ties in perfectly. Okay? And again, you get some different heights, which is just what you want. Like a tall one like this might be perfect for the keystone. So if you're ever doing door jambs, window jambs, and you're doing ledge stone or ashlar, and you want to go straight across or curve across, use our square and rect corners. This is David at stoneyard.com.